Hi everyone. During my studies, I found a new word, praxis, Praxis. For me, it was a new word, and I believe for most of you also, it is a new word. And what does it mean, and how does it impact our whole life, is beautifully explained by Bob Proctor in this article. And he has started this article with a quotation. What he says, only those individuals whose beliefs are sound, are in harmony with the laws of universe, and have been integrated with their behavior will emerge as real winners in the new economy. Bob Proctor. So, what is praxis? Praxis is the integration of your belief and behavior. Praxis describes the mental and physical state a person is in which causes them to get the results they are getting. A deep understanding of the praxis will put you in the position to achieve any result you choose. Your world is changing rapidly. Everywhere you look, life is being affected by change. The position you find yourself in today is without precedent. All of the preceding generation put together would have never experienced the changes you have in your short lifetime. You are a participant in a new economy. Dr. Christopher Hegarty, an international authority on how to adapt to the tremendous changes taking place, has stated you can no longer look to the past in an attempt to protect your future. A large part of the present is obsolete, and for most people, much of the future is beyond comprehension. However, on the brighter side, Dr. Christopher stated this is the most exciting time in all of human history to be alive if you have the proper information. Take a close look at habit, then bring together these three concepts knowing, habit, and praxis. Understanding and wise application of these concepts will eliminate frustration. Now, you might say to yourself that everyone's beliefs are integrated with their behavior, but that is not correct. And more often than not, when a person's beliefs are integrated with their behavior, their beliefs are false and their results range from bad to disastrous. Then there are numerous other situations where a person believes something that is sound, but they fail to integrate the belief with their behavior. And their behavior becomes a physical contradiction to those beliefs. Again, the results are unwanted and unnecessary. Courageously begin to analyze your beliefs one at a time. Ask yourself if you have good and sound reasons for each of your beliefs. As you do this, you will find that many of your strongest convictions have absolutely no foundation. You will realize that some of your beliefs are totally absurd, out of fashion, and they have no meaning. Our beliefs about anything are based upon our evaluation, and we are free to re-evaluate any of them at any time. As you begin to evaluate who you truly are and what you are capable of doing, you will find your belief about your own ability to enjoy the situations you just imagined change dramatically. It is recommended that you analyze your beliefs regularly. It will be like mental house cleaning. I mean, these sorts of concepts might be very new for most of people, but they are real. Please understand why we are getting the same type of results again and again and again in our life. These are the reasons. So, why not should we evaluate and re-evaluate and re-evaluate as you grow in our life, our belief system and our behavior? And that is called when you integrate both beliefs and your behavior, that becomes practice, and that sort of exercise is very necessary for the growth of life and to achieve something substantial in our life. Because again, we will be doing the same thing again and again, and then we will be getting the same results if you do not do this exercise. No. Lastly, there are only two ways to integrate your belief with your behavior. First is constant spaced repetition, and second, emotional impact. किसी भी गोल को पकड़ते हैं. If you have any goal, any desire, burning desire, any dream you want to achieve that burns in your heart, means you are emotionally involved. And when you imagine it and visualize it repeatedly, that is the meaning of constant spaced repetition. And you evaluate and re-evaluate your belief and your behavior, and when you act accordingly, you will get the desired results. That's what I want. That's what you want. That's what everybody wants, isn't it? So work on that. Repeatedly listen to this video, then you will be able to understand what I'm talking about. And this is not me. This is the greatest uh, motivational speaker, the living legend, whose work is this, whose finding is this. So let us work on that and find and get the desired results in our life. What I like that sentence, what he says, we are the part of new economy. Why? Because we are the reason. So if we are the part of our economy, the whole economy, are we playing our role? Are we doing our part? Are we growing economically also, financially, fulfilling our dreams, goals, and desires? Who is stopping you? Think about that. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy, love everyone, and keep smiling. God bless. Thank you very much.